Four things that you need to study in order to succeed in forex trading. Only four. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new, please consider subscribing so that you do not miss future videos. I like this video just to motivate me to continue sharing the knowledge for free. If you are looking to download stuff, forex robots, indicators, books, systems and stuff like that, there are links in the description box below. Visit those blogs and see if you cannot find what you are looking for. Let's get into this quick and short video. So, four things that you should study in order to make it in forex trading. Number one, candlesticks. You need to understand candlesticks. You need to understand candlesticks. I can never say that enough. Without adding anything else to the charts, candlesticks give you all the information that you want to know about the market. Understand engulfing candles. What do they mean? Pin bars. What do they mean? Candlesticks in them hold all the information that you need to be trading the market. You do not need all those 1,000 indicators. Just study your candlesticks. You understand the market more. Number two, understand support and resistance. I know many people do not like support and resistance. When you say support and resistance, then they turn off and stuff like that. But support and resistance is not just four horizontal lines. They can be they can be slanted lines. It's not just your normal support and resistance that people think just a line on top and a line at the bottom. Support and resistance basically gives you an idea of where the market is bottoming to and where it's rising to. It enables you to set targets. It enables you to determine whether the entry that you want to take is going to be profitable, it's got a good risk to reward ratio and stuff like that. You can easily spot where the people are buying and where the people are selling. And it goes hand in hand with supply and demand, which is zones. Instead of your support and resistance, which are usually just lines, you get your zones, which are where many people are just dancing around waiting for orders, or where orders are being filled and stuff like that. So you need to understand support and resistance, but you also need to understand supply and demand. They work hand in hand. It's not the same thing. Support and resistance and supply and demand zones are not the same thing. You need to understand them, each and every one of them. Then the last thing, you want to understand price action patterns. Price action patterns. Higher highs, higher lows, lower highs. You need to understand triangles. You need to understand pennants and things like that, and how do they relate to the overall market sentiment. That's how you can progress. That's the only four topics that I would say you need to understand. Understand candlesticks. Trust me, you don't need any indicators. You don't need anything else. The candlesticks have in them enough information for you to be able to trade profitably. Then you need to understand the concept of supply and demand, support and resistance. Then you need to just understand how is the market moving. That's your price action patterns. How is the market moving? It gives you an idea for entries. If you have questions, if you have comments, what are the four topics that you would recommend every trader study if they want to succeed? Leave your comment in the comment section below. I'd like to read your thoughts. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Until next time, bye.